G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making a golden gay time.
So hard to have a gay time on your own.
This recipe calls for butterscotch snaps, Tia Maria, Baileys, thickened cream, golden gay time bites. Into a shaker, add 30 ml of butterscotch snaps, 15 ml of Tia Maria, 15 ml of Baileys, 30 ml of cream, add ice, and shake. Grab some of your golden gay time bites, stick them into a glass. Then pour your mixture over the gay time balls. You might need to add a few more just to make sure there's a mouthful of balls in every sip. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.